Hello, welcome to our homepage of Basketball Complete. We sell basketball shoes, and this is our welcoming page. Here you can see a few products. Here's our contact page where you can contact us. And now I'm going to show you our shop where we mainly sell basketball shoes. For example, you want to buy a Nike LeBron 12. You select one of the available sizes, like we want a 44, and we add it to the basket. Then we look at our basket and we can fill in a discount code, and as you see I already filled it in, and that will give us like 20% a 20% discount, and now our total is 80 euros. So now I'm going to show you our who we are page, and here we explain like who we are and why we do this. And as you can see over here, we have like multiple collection, our Adidas, our Air Jordan, and our Nike collection. You can shop more distinct. We also have our lookbook here. This is where you can build inspiration. Here you can like a picture if you want, and yeah, this is to build inspiration for maybe outfit or basketball shoes, or just inspirations to work hard, or just like a nice quote. We also have like frequently asked questions over here, and here we can answer your a few for questions if you have one. And we have our store policies over here, and yeah, this is about it. Here you can find information. That's it actually.